Hello and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Whiskey Wednesday. Last night I prepared chicken fajitas using a spice blend that I put together. Lot of ingredients, but it was fun. It was great, tasted great, and I still have some seasoning left over for the next time I do the fajitas. Yes. Today I am not cooking. Robin got a call last night, and she has a meeting in Oakland this evening. So I won't see her till about bedtime. But tomorrow I'm going to be preparing braised beef chuck, garlic cream cheese mashed potatoes, and I found a asparagus recipe. It's asparagus, panko, and yeah, it should be fun. More on that tomorrow. Callie Johnson, one of the top contributors in the group, come up with an idea to have a potluck picnic here in Yuba City come this spring. Are you interested? Let me know or let Callie know. On this Whiskey Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.